Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to replace a word in Google Docs. Open the document to validate that it is already saved locally in Word format. After this, open Google Documents. Click on the menu to choose the option Drive. Now you can drag the file from the Explorer to Drive or click on New, choose the option File Upload, and then choose the Word document. Update Drive to see the document. Then simply double-click on this file to open it in Google Docs. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.